Hi traders. Hey John, what's up? Hope today, hope today everything will be good. I don't know why, what was the problem with the technical, but it fucked your mind, at least mine. In and out, and then you're focused out of. But yeah, new day. How was your day yesterday, guys? How did you finish it? Again, VKTX took care. If you saw what we did on, that's what happened. Let's see. VKTX yesterday, basically, it did the job, and it took care of all this other crappy stuff. Yeah, so me too. And then I was trying to see what the problem with the technical, and when you're out of focus, and uh, yeah, not the amazing day, but who cares? It's happened. Those amazing are not happen often, so it's happened, but never mind. Let's talk about today. Give me 1 second. I have some list. I'm curious before I'm putting my list. Um, which stock are you watching, guys? What stock on your mind? Look promising. I don't know about promising. I don't have one thing on your mind, and you came objective, which is cool. RCKT, I saw. Give you my list at least. RCKT is the one from the. Yeah, I have it on different screen. You know what? I'm gonna put it here. So yeah, I have different screens, so I want you to see all of them. What's nice about RCKT is the gap. Okay, look at the daily, guys. That's promising. That gap. We are high of the 4, so we have some resistance here around 460 something, and then hopefully it's going to be a rocket. So that's definitely. Let's write my candidate. Momentum. It's going to be definitely target after the earning, and MU also. I want to watch also second day. I want to watch SoFi and definitely VKTX for continuous. And small cap, we have the RCKT. Okay? SC small cap. That's my candidate. Give me 1 second. I want to update myself something. Give me 1 second. TGT. What you can say about yesterday, it was a good risk management, definitely. You saw few trades didn't go well, but there was no corruption, nothing. Pretty okay. Reduce, getting out, moving on. That's the system. Should not be intimidated, even if you have few losses. Not a big deal. Really, not a big deal. I'm not just trying not to exaggerate. It's not a big deal because sometimes it's happened. Uh, the bottom is what's the result of it. If you let this one to fuck everything, or you stay calm, follow on your plan, and move on. Move on. Okay, I'm just taking some information about the stocks. It's been a while since I traded MU. And RCKT. We have 4. RCKT. Yeah, what's important about this one? Yet always it's L scale. Okay, so I'm ready. Momentum. Okay. Hey mate. So what the market is doing right now, let's see. I saw, but let's do it together. Basically, Bobcats, nothing. Q is a little bit down, not so much. Sector, strong sector. Asher. I didn't see something. It's a Chinese one. What else? IWM, small cap. Gurnished. So basically, we start zero. There's nothing really. Um, let's put target here also and VKTX. Yeah, we have kind of couple of minutes. Something you want to share, guys? You're looking at things that happened to you that we can actually fix it in 3 minutes. Again, I'm objective, not just because DGT 10% down. Not thinking only to short it. PLTR, Palantir. Give me a sec. So let's look again. So we have this support here, Luis. 148 something. You see, there was like we had a nice cup here, and then we went up. And if we're gonna go there to 14, what are we now? 152. What's the low of the pre-market? 150.75. Yeah, that's the area. Maybe I will look. But thank you. Yeah, I think the math probably TJ Maxx and Target are, I think, are in the same day earning, no? Yeah, but TJT, 460. Look at the spread, 90 cents. I prefer to focus on the TJT. Remind me later, in about 40 minutes, whatever, but I don't think it's a candidate for the opening. Can you write your trades here in the chart? I will try to use. Mayor, I have to be honest, and this is why I'm replacing Aggie because she's on vacation. But The best for me be here twice, so it leave me time to trade by myself and doing mentoring with other students. Um, I can't say 100% when I'm trading here because, again, not excuse whatever, but I need to see what you. If you ask something, I need to, instead of inside voice, I need to put it loud voice, and definitely if I have time, I need to write it. I will try my best, but definitely you have to listen. Okay, so I will do the best. Let's do it, guys. Okay, TGT, MU. What's going on with MU immediately? Wow. People came with, okay, VKTX. VKTX, TGT. VKTX going towards the high of the pre-market. Okay, Rocket broke the high of the pre-market. What I'm thinking about is we got 410. Let's kick off the guys here. Maybe they're going to go maybe under here, and on the way back, we're going to buy it. So that's the game plan. Target low 24.15. MU. What's the market doing? Down, down, down. So every attempt in MU, I'm going to wait. I thought about something, but I'm watching the market, so I don't want to do. Target. Okay, target. You see what it did? Bought people above 95. What's the high here? 95.50. Yeah, I like this area here. Let's see what's going to happen. Good volume. As you can see, good volume here on the opening. Okay, target over 95.30. Gonna give it like a 50-cent stop. Not yet. I like the volume increase. Okay, I think it's gonna go down. MU also wants to go down under 117. Stop is too big. Okay, TGT 95.30. Stop gonna beat the low of this candle like 50 cents. Okay. Okay, TGT in. I'm doing this in different shit. I have to close this one. Oh, I can't close it. I didn't take a pause, but I reduced in TGT. What's going on? Okay, I'm still in TGT. Half position. What I'm gonna do is I didn't take any partial. High is 96. Above 96, I'm gonna add more. Okay, and my stop gonna be the low of this candle, which is 94.76. Okay, so I don't have time to write, but that's my game plan. Still watching other stocks. I like MU. Have to see well. MU. I'm watching the other stocks. A little bit down. Okay, TGT guys. Boom. Adding more targets. Okay. More. Are you on TGT? More, 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 more. Let's see if we can get to the 97 area, 96, 80, 70. Take a partial. You TGT guys. Yeah, look at the volume, guys. We are on the right side of the coin. Okay. Now the next one, I want to see more. What's the high? 96.45. Boom, boom, boom. I want to see another boom bar. Yeah, boom bar. Above 90. Yeah, yeah. 97 area. Let's see what we. 56. Let's see. Are you in TGT, guys? Buzak, remind me towards another, in let's say in an hour plus. Ask me this question again. It's a really good question. Really good questions. 96. Let's see. Okay, 96 was the okay. Let's see if it's a retest. Okay, retest. Yeah, the bidders didn't break it. I don't want to see the bid getting. Oh, let's see if the ask will keep it. I like SoFi also. Let's see SoFi here. Um, 60. No, we don't have enough range. No, no. Leave SoFi alone right now. Okay, TGT. Now, if we're not breaking near 650, guys, boom shakalak. Take like, let's take 3/4. Okay. Um, okay, under 40. 3/4. Boom. Good. Stop. 95.50 under. Okay. Okay. Love those kind of formation. Love them. Love them. Yeah. This is what 86% institution love to do. Love to do. It's cheap, so they buy it. They buy it because they are cheaper, almost like 9% than yesterday. Okay, so why? And look how they keep in it. You could see it in 2 minutes. What's going on with this chart? Because it's the pre-market. They're holding it this level here pretty good. Okay. Basically, doing a beautiful bull flag. If it's breaking 96.56, looking like what's the ATR of this? 2.8. How much we did today? Yeah, we almost did it. Yeah. It's doing a nice bull flag here. Yeah. And a good volume. Okay, so I'm pretty okay with that. Okay. Good. Good start. Good start. Yeah. Told you. Oh yeah, this is the bar. This is the bar. Okay. Let's see if we can break 97. If it's popped to 97, like let's say 97.20, something like this, let's take another partial. Don't sell everything. But let's take a partial there. Another one. Okay, I like the volume. Look at the volume. Everything increased. Love it. Look at this. We're on the right side. Okay, 96.70. Good. 78. Good, good, good. Above. Up, 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 up. What's the market doing? Basically, it's nothing. Doesn't matter. Good. Yeah, stop is under 95.50, for the last portion. I want to see if we can get another boom to take another partial. And definitely, you can see that we immediately we broke above the view up. We are above the view up, so actually we are strong. It's weak, but we are strong in TGT. Good, good. John, it's not the first time. You're leaving too early. Leaving too early. I don't care now if it's dropping. The last portion will be 95.50. This is not the system, mister. This is not the system. You don't get out so fast. You can take a partial, another, you have to leave something. You have to leave something like, look what happened in VKTX yesterday. The last portion did few points, okay? And don't do it. Yeah, you see what happened in Rocket? Why are you not jumping? So we knew the levels. Okay, the high of the pre was 4. What he did? Brought people inside, 10 cents, kicked their butt out. Everybody that was in that trade, thinking that it's gonna go higher and they're gonna be millionaires, took them like a few seconds to be kicked out. Stop here, stop at the end of the day, and even if they didn't get the stop, probably here they got huge loss and got out. You see, you actually can understand by what's happened here exactly what was the methodology of that one. And TGT here, look how it looks here. TGT, um, looking nice, really. If we're breaking this level here, we have the 9 EMA here around 97.40. Okay, that's the level maybe to take another one. 97.30, something like this. Make sense? So Meir, not writing, but we have results, it's better. I know, you see, I know, John. Believe me, I know. So start fixing it. Fixing it. Don't sell everything. Always leave something, even few shares just to see what's happened in the last portion. Okay. 96 again, we're getting towards the high. Look at this. Look at this. The market is going down, but look at this. Look at this bar. Boom. Well, we have a new high. Not yet. Not yet. 96.75. Okay, marking tanking. Okay. I'm raising my stop under 96. So 95.80. 85. Okay? Just because I'm watching the market. And yeah, we'll start. I'm thinking we're going to break the 96. Yeah. I think the big bars even. Whoa! Did you see that bar, guys? That was a good bar. Oh, yeah. That was a good bar. You see that bar, guys? Stick to the plan. I'm watching VKTX. I don't see nothing. You see the bar? See what the market doing? Look at TGT. Look at TGT. Oh yeah, guys. New high, 2 cents. Okay. It's a triple one. Now, if we're breaking here, 97. Congratulations. Okay. Let's see. Under 96.90, I'm going to take a partial, but I have also order to 97.30. Yeah, partial, 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 partial. Another one. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's a show, guys. See that chart? That's a show. If you traded well, you're an actor in that show. Good. Okay. Oh, Palantir. Okay, you remember Palantir, what we said around 147? Let's put Palantir here instead SoFi. Um, I want to see this level here. Where was it? No, 145 here, this level here. 140, 148. Yeah, 148 area. Yeah, I'm watching Palantir. Yeah, TGT under 96. I'm gonna be out, guys. Okay? It's a good trade. Let's see another trade. VKTX. I'm watching it. I'm trying to understand what I'm seeing here. See, we got exactly to the level of yesterday. Some resistance. 25.40. Yeah. Let's do a short here. 25.40. VKTX. Stop gonna be here, like 40 cents. Okay? Okay? That's my next trade. Target, guys. Doesn't want to go. See, it got to 95.98. This is why you don't, get out. We said 90, something like this. We give few cents. And let's see if we're doing here a double top and maybe breaking. Again, 97.40. I'm going to take, I don't care if you have even 10 shares, guys. Take 5 around 740. Just, teach yourself how to trade like this. PLTR, you know what? What's the low here? 148.40. I don't know. No, I'm waiting for 148 in PLTR. Yeah, 148 area. Okay, we're getting there. I want to see. Be prepared. Okay, we broke a few cents. I want to see if we can get a good volume here. 148.20, and the low of the day here is 147.60, but I'm going to give it a chance, maybe like 40 cents, not more than this. So 148, it's not turning yet. Not turning yet. Still see the volume. 148.20. No, the market is tanking. No, I'm not. Not. I'm waiting. Not. Sometimes it's pretty tough, to do the timing for those kind of things, but when I watch again the daily, 147.67 we have something. Target TGT, I'm raising stop 96.40. Yeah, we have kind of a triple on the 97. 96.40, just because I'm watching the market. 96.40, I'm out. Okay, PLTR. No, PLTR did it without me. It's really difficult to time it. Yeah, I knew that's the area, but I was watching the market. I didn't want to take it. Yeah, I did $1 from that level. Okay, so only one trade now. I'm fine. You're here, guys. I don't see you writing something, so you're listening. Everything fine? Oh, I see that this one broke. I didn't watch it. Um, I didn't get into VKTX. Sorry. Maybe it was luck. Now, if it's gonna break, I'm gonna join definitely. 25.40. Sorry. If it's breaking now, 25.40 here. Yeah. Was watching the to see if you have some question. That's the area. That's my stop. I think I broke it. Yeah. Okay. VKTX. Yeah. PLTR. Damn. I'm watching my stocks. Think I need to maybe start refresh my list. Still watching the RCKT, but I'm not sure that I have something to do. Um, okay, VKTX. See what happened second time? It's breaking, start leaving spike like it's doing 10 cents. I don't like those kind of things again. So what I'm gonna do? I thought it's gonna be a capitulation here. What's the high here? 47. Okay. If it's getting above 50, 10 cents above, I'm reducing half position. Okay, half and still leave half for my stop. What's the low here? 25.27. Okay. So that's the game plan. Above this high, reducing, stop half here. If it's breaking that level here, forget from everything. Because you see it broke, came back. Broke, immediately they come. Here, I think they even come in sooner. You see, it's like higher low. Okay. Definitely, you could see there is a pressure here between the buyers and the seller. Okay, VKTX, what's going on? Definitely, you can see the pressure. You can see it's like a really thick dodgy here. When you just see the resolution, about 45, I'm going to reduce with the last 5 cents. But I'm going to keep my stop for the other half here. I don't like what's happening. Yeah, you see? The buyers. So I'm half position. You could see the sign again. When you see something like this, you want to see it clear because there was support, 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 resistance. Boom, need to break. Spike, came back. Spike. Yeah, that was the sign. Um, I'm lowering my stop here, guys. 70, not 80, 70 for the half position. So basically, it's going to be less than half risk loss if it's going to hit it. I don't want to wait here above this candle here, the 5 minutes. If you have any stock that you're watching, guys, share it with me. I'm starting to renew. I'm watching a different one, but let's put it here so you're gonna see it. Yeah, there was a good, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, you see, I hope that what's happened here will happen here, which it's not. Now it's pretty interesting what's gonna happen with SoFi. I don't think immediately on short, and because of this big bar. This is like a 1 million. You know what? This is like a 1 million shares. Mm, What's the high here? 21.89. Low 21. I'm watching it. Thank you. Thank you. Let's put it on. We have a nice formation in MU. 1 to 2. I don't like it. So we have 114.90, but we have 50, 60 cent. We have a dollar to the low. Not so sure. Just going over my screen now. Now we have gas. Probably it's a buyout. Still in VKTX. Again, stop is here, but if we're breaking this level here, 25.25, I'm gonna add back full size. Okay? So here I'm gonna be out. Here I'm gonna add. What else are you watching? Yeah, definitely. I reduce 5 cents, and I told you my stop here. I lower my stop here like for 30 cents, not 40, for half position. That's a good level here, the 68. We have the view up here. We need to see. I think it's too early for 15, but let's see it on 15. Yeah, it's too early for 15 minutes. You don't see nothing. This one, I want to think about scalping, meaning trigger will be 15.10 and stop gonna be 12 cents. Has to work immediately, if not out. The risk was pretty good. Like for here to close the gap is like 13, 1 to 3. Only above 10. Okay? Zim. Stock are frozen. Okay. Well, in Zim. Okay, 15. We'll see it moving fast. Close gap, 54. So around 50. Slow 3/4. So we need another 35 cents. What's the volume here? Ah, it's not a good volume. Okay, not a good volume break. What's the low of this one? 1511. Okay. 1508, reducing half position. Yeah. And stop 98, 97 for the half. But under 8, I'm reducing. Yeah. Was not a big volume there. Well, difficult to find candidate today, huh? Zim is what? Louis, I don't understand what you wrote there. Zim is a flop. Yeah, but you see, I reduce with 3 cents. It has to work. Those kind of trades need to work immediately. Need to work immediately. Like it's high from the opening. It's open like around 1380 and it did like a 10% up. Okay? So what's happened in the market? No connection to what's happened here. I'm out VKTX for half position. You can ask me if I knew that it's not gonna hold, why I left, because you never know. But you lower your risk, okay? I still really love this, and maybe in the future we can do another chance, second chance. But according to the way I'm trading, I had to stay there. I reduce, but still it's fine. Okay, Zim. Well, that's all you're watching, guys. Basically, guys, in TGT, we actually nail it. I'm gonna tell you why. We took all this move and see what's happened around here. Look at those type of bars. in dodgy, 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 dodgy. So now everything can happen, under here, definitely it can go down. The volume is decreasing. So when we knew what happened, boom. So we took partial and a partial and a partial and we raised the stop. Really, we actually nailed it. We played the trade around this level here. What's happened now? We prevent ourselves from that. And it's pretty cool. Even I don't see any small caps. What's the sector? Let's see. Weakest sector. Let's see Nvidia. It's Tesla. What's going on with PLTR? Palantir. All stock out of ATR? What is ATR? It's a stock. It's the name of a stock. What is ATR? I know what is a ATR. All stock out of ATR. What do you mean by that? Never mind. You see that we are very selective today. Really less trade. We have the target, we have the VKTX, and we are now in ZIM. Okay? And we are keeping our eyes on the trade. We follow, we take the partial, we reduce when we need to. Um, I know the ATR is good. It's. I know what you're saying. The ATR is good to know. You know, I can relate to this in the partial, whatever. But when you have a day-to-day like earning, and the relative volume of target is above 14, um, I can ignore the ATR. You understand what I'm saying? Because Right now, target did how much? 94 to 90. Let's say 3 point something. A little bit more than the ATR, but definitely with relative volume like today, it can do. I'm not saying that that's the last hour. I don't think so. You see, that's a good volume, and you see the stock is above the. Still doesn't matter. Look at the market. Look at the okay Zim. Look at the SPY. Look at the how they drop targets. For me, I think it's gonna be another long sometimes. Maybe towards lunch. Yeah, look how beautiful it's keeping above. And definitely you can see it in 15. Phenomenal, phenomenal. And while we are talking, we're actually breaking the high. I don't have a trigger right now, but see, in 15, the relationship between the volume up, that's a beautiful stock. That's a beautiful. You understand what I'm saying, guys? Okay, thank you. Yeah, that's when you see the market bleeding and you see targets blooming, you need to be, not because you want to be a wise guys and do a long when the market is down, but that's what the chart's saying. I don't know, Alex, 5 10 minutes, but that's the key right now. Okay, let's talk about this. When we did here, I knew that under the VWAP I'm out. And according to this, I was relating to that 9 EMA for area, and you could see how definitely it hold it. Okay? And I saw the big gap. Now, everything is open. I can take, let's say, people took here, let's say, above here, 97, what was the high? 97, 10, okay? So they did like 27 cents, but where was their stop? Okay? I don't know where was the stop here, probably around here. What's the low here? Maybe around 50, 60 cents. Not clear. What I'm thinking is, I don't know if we're gonna get toward the viewer, but I need to see some solid supports and some risk reward to take it from a breakout, unless I'm gonna see a beautiful volume. Yeah, that Zim is I'm half position, but this is really a fucked up trade. I don't like what's going on there. We don't have a big stop, and I'm half position. I don't have something to do what to do there, really, with Zim. What I'm saying is, usually with stocks, I reduce, I'm raising my stop, so I reduce, but there's not much space here, so I'm going to keep my stop half position, and that's it. I'm watching a PLTR. I have to long it. You know what? 146.75. Yeah, dollar stop. I want to see. Let me be sure. Yeah, 146.75 here. Um, let's do it. Dollar stop. What I want to see is if we break in this level here, a bounce. We actually had this slope, and now you could see a few candles. We have kind of a side move. So 147, 146.75. I want to get in. I want to see the bid going above. Okay, because I see now 78, but I don't. Okay, not yet. Yeah, I mean PLTR. No, my stop is dollar. Um, I don't know. No, this is not as, again, area of the this one here, like around 2 points here. Ah, sorry, I'm not in the right chart. We have the view up here. I don't want to scalp it. Starting to see pullback from the market, start to see pullback from the big stocks, and I want to see this one follow it. This is the area that I want to take the first partial. I don't want to scalp it. No, the Zim, for God's sake, I don't know. I'm feel pissed of that. It's not moving. That stock evil. So many shorts there all the time. They're doing, tricks in that stock. I randomly, rarely, sorry, trade that stock, but that was a good formation there. Okay, PLTR is not going the way. I didn't even watch it. Stop gonna be there 145.50 under. Yeah, that was quick. That was quick. Yeah, out. Yeah, the market now also give. Yeah, that's the reason. Not good timing. We had a good timing, and that was not a good timing. Immediately, see what happened. Immediately. Mm, not happy about this trade. We have some support around 145 with Palantir, but we actually broke it. Your target, you could see that. It depends. It's a good question. The guy that asked earlier question, I don't remember. I remember it was a good question and I told you to ask later, so write it now. So Roy, Zim, stop in the system. Look at this. The spread is like 1 cent. I don't. Um, Target, Palantir with the spread, and again, when I have a big stop like 50 or dollar, whatever, I don't have problem of another, 10 cents or whatever, because sometimes, the spread between the bid and the ask is just to kick you out. So I'm not using a hard stop there because I don't think it's wise. So that's the difference between those two stops. Like what Sofa is doing here. 21.75 SoFi. I want to long it, 25-cent stop. It's going to be a scalp. So above this level here, I like this kind of formation. I can see even the 9 start to move. Above 75, I want to see the bid going above. Stop going to be here, 25 cents. Also, I see that the Bitcoin is starting to. I want to watch coin. Yeah, IBIT is going up, so I want to choose the coin. Um, 297. Starting to watch it. The coin. See the daily of the coin. We have a good support here. It's the ATR of coin. Um, 18 points. Okay, 297, guys. I want a long coin. My stop gonna be a little bit more than a point. So around somewhere around here. Point and a half, something like this. Okay? I would be happy to see this. Let's put it even two. Next, another candle hold like this level, and then above this, I love this. 297, and we have like 5-6 points towards the close of the gap. Again, that's a game plan. Let's see if it hold the view up, and if it's not going to drop too much, then it will be cancelled. So, Mayor, I remember what you asked. Now I have time. A coin above 297. 1 plus stop. Leon, what's happening? Which part of you in Greece? Give us a reason to jealous. PLTR is tanking. Okay. Mara. Want to see more stocks of the coin. Uh, yeah, look at this. All of them is doing this. The Riot, the Mara, all of those Bitcoin. Here is the coin, photo. This one is not IBIT. ADI. Yeah, I don't have something to work with. I have like a 30-cent spread there. And yeah, I don't have something to do there. Yeah, look at Target, guys. New high. Yeah. 97.60. Yeah. I'm not feel pity about this because again, I didn't have a plan. I didn't know where my stop gonna be, so I'm okay. I remember I was going down to see somebody ask, how flexible is your stop? Do you do hard? Oh, okay. So basically, I answer you what when I answer we. Okay. Yeah, coin now is going under this bar, so I'm still gonna follow it, but it's not relevant to me. Yes, we have 11 cents in. What are you saying? When we pick a trade, we pick a trade. Yeah. Let's see if I can do something with my stop. Yeah, now definitely I'm gonna put. Yeah. Now you see the low is 15 of. That's not a good. 15.11. Hmm. You know what? The low of this one. This 15 minutes candle will be finished in 2.5 minutes. And I think after that I'm gonna raise my stop to 1508. Like 3 cents. Yeah. Again, I want to see if we can get to this level here. Will give us a good risk reward. More than 1 to 3. Something like this. Which is pretty good. Again, the size that you had to take in this stock is a lot because the stop was. Okay, I'm not gonna talk about this, but it's not giving a good vibe. Wanna watch the market, the TQQQ. We have some support here, 85.16. What is our advantage? What's the advantage? Now we are hour and 15 minutes, and you want to short Apple at the low of the day. There's no advantage in that now. It's too expensive for me. It's too expensive. We're gonna do a second chance in PLTR over 144, which is gonna be around this level here. Stop gonna be the low of the day. I want to see the volume, but that's something I want to see if I can. No, no, it's not. Okay, this is the answer, guys. It's not the time. I suddenly saw volume, but it was the wrong side of the volume. Not yet. It's not ready. Not ready. Oh, TGT, give me a break. 98, guys. You see, John, I had to leave something today. I'm not sorry. It was a really good trade. Those kind of formation, I size it accordingly, so it's a huge trade, but definitely we saw the sign in the beginning. Yeah, looking beautiful. Yeah. Now I'm in your place. You see, John? You see? The trade is going up, continue, and I'm out of stocks. Annoying, huh? And this is from a guy that did really good on that trade. Yeah. Trying to find stocks, guys. Trying to find nothing. Again, if you have any trading question, whatever, that's the good time to do it. Something that we can make conversation. I can give you an answer. It's a good it's a good time now. Especially when you have a new high in Zim, 14 cents. It's a little bit more than the risk unit. We jeopardized 12, so I'm fine. There's a stock I didn't watch today, and it's still on my radar. UNH. Wow, 297. Okay, got to those level here when they say that Berkshire is buying it, already bought it. Let's watch it. UNH 299. Come together right now. I like here the UNH. I'm thinking about 299, and my stop gonna be. I'm zoom in like in 2 minutes. This level here, the 298. We have here the view up, so we have 1 to 2 here. That's definitely going to be a nice scalp here, as long as we're going to hold this level here. How is the volume today? Let me see, check for a second on UNH. Nah, not amazing. Um, Still in, what's her name, SoFi. And to your question earlier, in SoFi I have a stop, 2147 in the system. Okay? Yeah, market is coming in the low. Okay, guys, the UNH, I want to do it. I want to do the UNH. Let me just see it on the 15. $2.99 stop. So right now I'm in SoFi, Zim, and I'm looking to get into UNH. 2.99. Let me write it. Now I have time. What about PNW from yesterday? There was a second. So UNH, guys. Let's put SOFA here. I'm gonna put coin here. It's difficult to me to read it, Alex. Like, this is one of the toughest things, to see. Like, it's this is the shape of the V. You want to find. I don't have problem to start and be a little bit late, but to see, we still have something. I'm not sure, not sure. And with this stock, 144.20, it can blink you to 70 cent in a second. I'm not so sure. Still see the market's not responding, so it's on my chart, but I'm not. Um, UNH right now, it's not relevant. You see, it's broke that level here. Unless immediately I'm going to see it coming back, get into the 99 and break, it will be fine. But if it's doing like this and then breaking that bar, and it's gone, the trade is gone. But coin, I'm still, I still like this. What was the trigger? 297. Yeah, still like the 297 here. A little bit more than a point. Yeah, I'm still watching it also. TGT is now correcting. It will be interesting to see what's going to happen here on the view up. Two scenarios can happen, which usually, if it's holding and started going down and maybe even break it, coming back, blah, 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 some bear flag down there, we can actually short it. It's too, hopefully it happened, but usually according to the past statistic, if it's going here to go back, not happen randomly. And look at these bars. Each one is like 350,000 shares. So yeah, UNH is the trigger is gone, not relevant. So far in the money, guys. 5 cents. Yeah. Again, even today, not an easy day. We need to be very selective. Trades that going well, let them grow. The other one you sell. The PLTR, you just cut it out. Coin, guys. 297. Stop 295.50. Coin is in. Okay, coin. SoFi looking okay. Zim. I'm out 3 cents lost. Yeah, that was a piece of. Yeah, this Zim. Coin, guys. $1.50. Yeah, but that was our risk, so it's around dollar. So I'm looking for more. Again, I want to see around 301 at least. You're in coin, guys. Okay, guys, 2 points in coin. Nobody in coin, guys. Good for you, Alex. Good for you. I'm happy that you took it. Coin, 3 point. That's cool. That's cool. SoFi also start to walk pretty nice. We have a nice cup here. Look at this. For breaking 2190, looking good. It's 302. Let's see if we can get 302 in coin. Let's do like 5 points. DGT is a nice area here. I'm still watching it. Um, PLTLR 144.20. Time 10. 58. And 42.50. Yeah, I understand what you're saying. Um, yeah, I think we were talking about this. You caught it in the right place. You remember we said about to find the V shape, so it's pretty difficult to find. This was like 143.60. I don't have something bad to say. Yeah, you got it okay. Definitely around the view up here. That's the area 147 something. Right now, according to the, let's put it on 2 minutes. Probably around here you could take some partial because of the wick and still keep it. And your stop right now is here. Start raising it, but not bad, Alex. First, I like that you actually follow. Guys, look at coin. Now, why nobody's took a coin, guys? Coin. We're getting to 4 points. So now the $1.50 stop, it's not looking bad, huh? My target is around here. So it's gonna be 1 to 3, 3/4. That's the area for me. Guys, any question before? Because we're gonna head out in like 2 minutes. So far looking good, guys. 20 cents in the money. We actually broke that level here. Looking good. So what I am right now. Coin. 4 points. Look at this bar. Our wet dreams. Look at this bar. Uchimama. SoFi. Looking good. And Alex in PLTR looking good. So good day today. Good day. There was like good process to our mind. We have to deal with all kind of things, good trades and trade that didn't go immediately, so we have to reduce. So I'm pretty happy. So tomorrow, same times, guys, 9:15. And if you have any questions, whatever, keep it for tomorrow. If you can't wait, give you my email. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Good day. Bye.